Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to set up the Astra theme. First, let's get Astra installed on your WordPress site. From your dashboard, go to Appearance, then Themes, and click on Add New. Search for Astra in the search bar. Once you find it, simply click Install and then Activate. This process usually takes less than 1 minute, getting you ready to customize your site quickly. Next, we'll explore Astra's powerful starter templates. These pre-built designs save you hours of development time. Install the Starter Templates plugin, then select your favorite page builder, such as Elementor or Gutenberg. You'll find hundreds of professional templates. Simply browse the library, preview your favorites, and import your chosen design with just one click. It's incredibly efficient. Now, let's dive into customizing your website. Head to Appearance, then Customize, to access Astra's intuitive options. Here, you can adjust global settings like colors, typography, and header layouts to match your brand. You have granular control over every element, from button styles to blog post layouts. Experiment with different settings to create a truly unique and professional look for your site in just a few minutes. Finally, let's talk about Astra's impressive performance and SEO benefits. Astra is renowned for being incredibly lightweight, ensuring your website loads in under half a second, which is crucial for user experience. Its clean, optimized code structure helps search engines crawl and index your site more effectively. This means better visibility and higher rankings, giving your website a significant advantage without needing complex optimizations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.